Okay, so this question here, prove that if k is any constant and y equals x squared plus kx plus k squared, then y is greater than 0 for all x. Now when it says y is greater than 0, we just want to show it's positive. In other words, this bit, this is what y is, isn't it? If we could show that this is positive, then we're sorted. Now, you need to remember that this is a quadratic, right? It's in quadratic form, okay? Because it is. You've got an x squared term, you've got an x term, and you've got a constant. Don't worry about the fact that it's k squared. That doesn't matter, right? Fact is, k is a constant, okay? K is a constant, and that's what we've got here, okay? Fact is being squared doesn't make any difference. It's still a constant. So you've got an x squared plus an x term plus a constant. And that is a quadratic. And of course, to show that it's always positive, we can actually complete the square, okay? That's what we're going to do. So when we complete the square, all right, we'll have a bracket, okay, squared. And with that bracket, I'll put x in, obviously, okay? That's what we do. And then if you remember then, we halve this, yeah? So if I halve k, I'm going to write that as k over 2. That's what half of k is, isn't it? Half k or k over 2. And remember then, you always take away then the square of this. Now when I square a fraction, it's simple because you just square the top, so you get k squared, and you square the bottom. 2 squared is 4. And then don't forget then you've got to add on k squared. Okay, now this becomes then x plus k over 2 all squared, and then minus k squared over 4 plus k squared. Well, this is like minus a quarter plus 1. Yeah? So if you've got 1 there, and then you've taken away a quarter, that just becomes 3/4 plus 3/4 k squared, yeah? Because you start off with minus a quarter. If you add a whole, use your calculator, minus a quarter, add a whole, you get 3/4 k squared. Now, I've actually shown there that this then, because I've got this, I could say now it's greater than 0, okay? From that, I could clearly see it's greater than 0. The reason why, of course, is because a bracket squared, okay, right, will always be greater than or equal to 0, okay? Right, it cannot be negative when you square something, okay? And the same with this here, 3/4 k squared, that's got to be greater than or equal to 0 as well, isn't it? If that makes sense, yeah? Okay? Because k squared, right? K squared, when you square something, it's always positive, right? And because we're adding them then together, okay, it's gonna be even more positive, if you like. So we can say, therefore, y is greater than 0 for all values of k, okay?